So this one is the question number 1. Question number 1. Here HL register is assigned to what? 2080. So H will be, why it is not writing? If we change the color, then it's not writing. Now it is writing. So H register is sorry. Oh, it is not writing properly. So what I do, in fact, I should go to that Word file itself. Wait. Table. Now, draw. Pen. So now can I write? Yes. So you can see this page is visible to you now.
Yes, sir.
So question number 1, HL is 2080. So what is H? Is 20, L is 80. Right. D is 37. Right. E is 88. Okay. Now LXI SP 5050. So stack pointer is 5050. So up to this stack is full. Right. Now push H. So what will happen? In 504F, H will be pushed. So what is the H? Is 20. Then L will be pushed at 4E 80. Then push D. So D37 will be over here, and over this E will be there 88. Next instruction is call 2070. So processor will branch to 2070, and from there it will start executing the instruction. Right. And at the end, it will find return instruction in the ISR, and it will return to 3020H. Right. So when this call instruction is executed, next instruction address 3012 is pushed onto the stack. So it will, right. So this, suppose this is the stack, pointer is over here, right. So here it will be H, then it will be L, then D, then E will be pushed, right. Next, here return address, right, 3020 will be pushed. Now we are, after returning, we are popping H. So this 2030 will be popped to H. So H will be what? HL will be equal to 3020. Right. So 3012, sorry. It will be 3012. So HL will be 3012. So it is here. Right. Now program counter at the end of, right, instruction, this program, it will be 3014. So program counter is 3014. What about the stack pointer? Since popping we are doing once, so program counter will come to over here. Now stack pointer will come to over here. So this is 4F, this is 4E, This is 4D, this is 4C. So 504C. And D will be as it is, 3788. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So option 3 is the correct answer. And where is that answer? I was having, no?
Sir, in that only it was highlighted, sir.
Microsoft. So you can see option 3 is the correct answer, and none of you gave the correct answer. 8 of you went for option 1, while 54 of you went for option 2. Next, total number of memory access involved in when 8085 processor executes the instruction INR M. INR M means suppose in memory location say 2400 we have some data say XX and LXI H 2400 is there, and if you write say INR M, what will happen? First of all, INR M opcode will be fetched, so right, memory will be accessed one time. Next, HL pair will be outed, right? 2400 will be outed, and this XX will be taken into the ALU, and there it will be incremented, right? So XX plus 1 will be done inside the processor. So second time memory will be accessed 2400, and finally it will XX plus 1 will be returned back to 2400. So 3 times it will be accessed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Memory access will be 3 times. So 4 of you gave the correct answer. Right. Option 3 is the correct answer. You can see 4 of you gave the correct answer. Next, question number 3. Where is question number 3? Again, LXI H 8129. So H will be 81, L will be 29. Move A comma L. Something wrong is there.
Sir, it's L comma
Yes, sir,
L, sir.
exactly. We don't know the content of.
Sir, so garbage value will be transferred, na sir?
Yes,
कोई
sir.
value ही नहीं जाता.
Something means this is wrong probably.
Yes, sir.
No. In fact, I was interested in doing this A comma L. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Actually, it was L comma. That's why we went for none of the above, sir.
Okay. A comma. Suppose if I take A comma L, anyway, everybody will get 1.5 marks. Not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Right. But suppose it is A comma L. Right. So A will be how much? It will be 29. No.
Sir, 29. Yes, sir.
Yes. A will be 29. Now add X. So 81 will be added to this. No.
Yes, sir.
So it will be A and both will be A. Then if you do DA, DAA, so 6 will be added over here, 6 will be added over here. No?
Yes, sir.
So A plus 6 is how much? It's 0. And this is what? A plus 6 plus 1 is 1.
Yes, sir. One carry and some.
So in accumulator it will be this. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Accumulator. Now A is moved to H. So H will be 10. Next it will be PCHL. PCHL. So this HL will be transferred to PC. So 1029 will be the 1079, no? 29. Sorry. 1029. Here it will branch. Here it will branch. Anyway, so everybody will get 1.5 marks. Not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Right. And why I have written 6979? Wait. So 6 will be added. A is what? 1010, 1010, and 110. This will be added. 110. This will be added. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then this will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, if this carry is generated no after DA, then also 1, 1, 0 will be added over here. Right. Then this is 1. This is how much? 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. So it will be 7, 0. Anyway, this question is wrong, and I calculated everything wrong probably while doing this, while making this problem. So everybody will get 1.5 marks, not a problem. So question number 3 is wrong. Okay, next, consider the following program executed by 8085 processor. Right, so A will be equal to 99. Right, then it is moved to B. Right, then MBI A 99. So A is also 1001, 1001, and both are added. So this will be 0. Right, this will be 0. This will be 1. This will be 0. This will be 0, and 1 will come over here. So auxiliary carry is set. So this will be 1, this will be 1, 0, 0, then this will be M. So both auxiliary carry as well as carry is set. So 0, 110, 0, 110 will be added. 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So this will be right 1 0, 1 0, 0 1. So final answer will be 98, no? Final answer is 98. So is this carry generated? Sign flag is 1, okay. Carry flag is generated, of course. What about parity flag? 3 ones are there in accumulator. So it will be 0. 0 flag will be 0. Auxiliary carry has changed to, right. Right, it is after DA. Auxiliary carry is also changed to 0. Maybe the status of flag will be carry flag is set, sign flag will be set because D7 is 1, parity will be 0 because accumulator content finally is number of ones are 3, 0 flag will be 0. What about this auxiliary carry? So option 1 I marked as correct option.
Sir, auxiliary carry should be 1, no, sir.
Yes, auxiliary carry. Then none of the options are correct, no?
Yes, sir. Then none of the options
are correct. Okay, okay. So this has to be 1, then only this option is correct. Anyway.
Yes.
Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. Okay, then this 1.5 marks. This one also has to be given to everyone. Consider the following 8085 base program: LDA 2400H, ANI 0F, RAL, RAR, right? So in this case, what will happen? 2400H, ANI 0FH, RAL, right? So lower nibble is actually multiplied by 2, right? Is multiplied by 2 and is stored at 2401H. Alright? Wait. I have to check whether. Okay. Multiplies the lower nibble by 2, residing in location 2400H and is stored at 2401H. So option 2 is correct. Hello? Option
Yes,
2
sir.
is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
So this is program question number 5. Where is question 5? Question 5 is this one. So 3 of you gave the correct answer.
Sir, that is 6, sir.
Huh?
That was question 6 you were showing.
Now here, this option 1 is correct. Right. You have to option. What is question number 6? No? Question number 6. So option 1 is correct. So 62 of you gave the correct answer. Okay. So then MBIACEH, right? SIM. E is 1110, right? So since EI instruction is not there, followed by this, so nothing will happen to this, right? Only these two are valid, so SOD pin will be only 5 volt, right? So how many of you gave the correct answer? Option 4. 11. Then question number 8. Hello?
Sir, one doubt there, sir.
Sir,
You said that if EI is not there, sir, so one time it will go into interrupt, no, sir. एक बार interrupt में जाएगा और फिर उसके अगले बार से वो नहीं लेगा ना EI में.
No. If EI instruction is there, then only interrupt will be enabled.
सर अगर हम
सर EI तो enabling के लिए है ना, masking then.
सर अगर हम लोग प्रीवियसली कोई इंटरप्ट यूज कर रहे हैं उसके बाद हमें एनेबल वापस करना पड़ेगा ना सर.
1% at a time. Yes.
सर मैं बोल रहा था सर कि अगर हम लोग प्रीवियसली कोई इंटरप्ट यूज करें तो फिर अपने आप डिसेबल हो जाएगा इंटरप्ट और हमें वापस एनेबल करना पड़ेगा ना सर. और अगर प्रीवियसली हम कोई इंटरप्ट यूज नहीं किए हैं इन केस तो इंटरप्ट ऑलरेडी रहेगा ना सर. हम एक बार यूज कर सकते हैं उसके बाद वो डिसेबल होगा ना सर.
Yes, sir.
No. SOD pin will be 5 volt and RST 5.5 interrupt will be unmasked. Unmasking and masking, right? This set interrupt mask is for setting the mask, but in order to enable everything, right? The mask setup, MSE has to be 1, right? And it has to be followed by EI. Then only interrupt will be properly unmasked, no? Hello?
Sir, EI is for enabling the interrupt, no sir. If we use an interrupt, then it gets disabled. So again, we have to enable.
So EI is globally set. No.
Yes. Globally, we have set the mask, but that mask is valid only if we write EI instruction.
But SIM is independent of that.
Is it? SIM has to be followed by EI, then only it is valid.
Sir, I guess there are three conditions for setting the interrupt.
Yes.
ISR has to be occurred, there must be unmasking, and the interrupt
No.
must be globally.
Suppose if you are only these two instructions are there, right? And RST 5.5 comes, will it be acknowledged by the processor?
Sir, if interrupt is not used previously anytime, then it will no, sir. If it is used, then it will not.
No, you cannot interrupt the processor by simply writing these two instructions, right? Even though RST 5.5 comes, processor is not going to recognize that till you write EI over here.
But SIM is
Hello? EI has to be there, then only RST 5.5 will be, right, will be acknowledged by the processor, and processor is branched to ISR of RST 5.5 if EI is there. If EI is not there, then no meaning, right? Even though mask set enable is 1. Anyway, right, I will give marks for this one also. If you people are insisting, not a problem. Then next question is, if ISR of RST 6.5 starts with EI instruction, what exactly this means? Means when processor branches to ISR of say RST
This is how you get
6.5, RST 6.5, right? And it starts with EI. It means what? It means during this subroutine, higher priority interrupt can interrupt the processor from this ISR. It means RST 7.5 is unmasked. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then RST 0 is a software interrupt. It's correct. Used to reset the 8085 system. This is also correct. This is vectored call instruction. This is also correct. Makes PC equal to 000H. So of course all ABCD are correct. So option 4 will be correct one. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then interrupt. Another interrupt, right? Interrupts at INTR pin of 8085 by disabled by user by making MVIA control word and SIM instruction by using RIM and ORI ATH instruction by generating interrupt acknowledge signal. So definitely user cannot generate the interrupt acknowledge, right? 8085 generates whenever an interrupt, unmasked interrupt comes via any hardware interrupt pin, right? None of the above is the correct answer, because INTR we don't have this MVIA control word, SIM, or even EI if you do, right? You cannot mask INTR interrupt because it is not vectored one. So it will come via INTR pin, and that we can mask only by disabled only by writing DI instruction, disable interrupt, right? So option 4 is correct. Anyway, so 2 questions were wrong, right? Maybe.
Sir, 3 you said, no, sir. In 1 you said you'll add 0.5 marks.
Okay. So 3.5 marks will get everybody. Right. 3.5 marks will get everybody. While making these questions, no, I do not know how I wrote here. See, okay, the main problem was here, right? This L comma A comma L I should write. Right. Then auxiliary carry. Here also I forget. So 1.5, 3.5 marks will get everyone. And same thing will be anyway, next time onwards, I will check the answers thoroughly. Otherwise, it's really ridiculous now for you people that none of the options are correct. Anyone's questions are wrong.
Sir, if you don't mind, could quiz 1 will also be discussed, sir, anytime?
Can we do it right now?
No, sir,
Sir.
actually we are having classes. So, sir, even on Saturday, I have no problem, sir. You can call us for half an hour and we'll be there, sir, if you don't have any problem. So
But
actually, we are getting more clarity, sir, by this.
that question
whenever we
paper, see, from my home, I cannot.
Sir, tomorrow 9 o'clock is free, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Even tomorrow, 9 o'clock, we have no problem.
Okay. Not a problem.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.